For centuries, the English Channel separated Britain from continental Europe. 1 mile.
In 1802, Napoleon envisioned a tunnel beneath the Channel, a direct link between France and England.
In the 1880s, the first real attempts began. Primitive machines carved 2 kilometers. Then politics stopped work.
British military leaders feared invasion through a tunnel. What if France attacked? Better to keep the water barrier.
After World War II, the idea revived repeatedly. Multiple proposals. But financing remained impossible until the 1980s.
The secret was geology. A chalk marl layer runs continuously beneath the channel, 40 meters below the seabed.
Chalk marl is perfect for tunneling. Strong enough to hold its shape, soft enough to bore through easily.
The design included 3 tunnels, 2 large rail tunnels, 1 smaller service tunnel between them for safety.
11 tunnel boring machines were built, 8.8 meters in diameter, the size of a 3-story building.
6 boring machines launched from the British side at Folkestone, 5 more from France at Calais. From both countries, the machines began drilling, racing toward each other through solid chalk beneath the sea.
Drilling commenced in 1988. The machines advanced steadily, 15 meters per day through solid rock.
Inside, crews worked 24/7, monitoring pressure, adjusting trajectory, guiding machines with laser precision through darkness.
7 million cubic meters of chalk had to be removed. Conveyor belts ran continuously back to the surface.
British spoil created new land. Samphire Hoe, 111 acres at Dover's base, now a nature reserve.
Laser guidance systems kept machines on course. Both sides had to meet perfectly. Centimeter precision required absolutely.
The meeting point was calculated precisely. 30 centimeters horizontal tolerance, 5 centimeters vertical.
Water pressure was immense. One mistake, and the tunnel floods catastrophically. Constant monitoring prevented disaster repeatedly. Behind each machine, concrete segments formed the permanent tunnel structure, bolted together, waterproofed, built to last centuries.
The service tunnel was built first, allowing engineers to check actual ground conditions before main bores followed.
Cross passages connect the tunnels every 375 meters. Emergency escape routes if disaster strikes.
13,000 workers built the tunnel, British and French working in parallel, underground for months on end.
The work was incredibly dangerous. 10 workers died during construction, most in early months, their sacrifice remembered.
Both sides raced toward the middle, British and French teams competing friendly. The meeting was approaching fast.
October 1980. The teams could hear each other drilling through rock. Just meters apart now.
Yes, they are right there!
The alignment was nearly perfect, less than 2 centimeters off target, after drilling 15 kilometers. Absolutely incredible precision.
The small hole was enlarged to full diameter. British and French workers side by side. The tunnel was connected.
Next came the rails. 100 miles of continuous welded track, perfectly aligned for high-speed travel.
Electrical systems, ventilation, lighting, safety equipment. Thousands of kilometers of cables. The tunnel became a complex machine.
Fire safety was paramount. Advanced suppression systems, emergency ventilation, fireproof refuge areas.
1983 to 1984 was testing. Hundreds of test runs. Every system checked. Safety verified absolutely.
The cost was enormous. £9 billion, 80% over budget, the most expensive construction project of the century.
Remarkably, no government money was used, entirely privately financed. Banks and investors took all the financial risk.
Eurostar passenger service began. London to Paris in just 3 hours, Brussels in 2. The journey transformed completely.
Le Shuttle carries vehicles, cars, trucks, buses. Drive on, 35 minutes, drive off. No more ferry waits.
Inside, the journey is smooth. 160 kilometers per hour through the tunnel. Passengers barely notice the channel.
25 miles route beneath the seabed, 115 meters below sea level at deepest point. Underwater engineering marvel.
Over 25 million passengers yearly.
1.6 million freight trucks. The economic impact is enormous constantly.
The tunnel connected Britain to Europe's high-speed rail network. Direct trains to Paris, Brussels, Amsterdam. Environmental benefits are significant. 90% less carbon than flying. The greenest way to cross the Channel.
November 1996. A serious fire in a freight shuttle. 34 injured. But safety systems worked. Everyone survived.
Safety systems were dramatically enhanced. Better detection, improved ventilation, stricter protocols. Learning from every incident continuously.
Record times were achieved. London to Paris in 2 hours 15 minutes. Faster than flying door to door.
Brexit brought political change. Border controls increased. But trains kept running. The physical connection...
Maintenance never stops. Nightly inspections, constant repairs. Keeping the tunnel safe require perpetual vigilance and dedication.
The service tunnel remains vital. Emergency access, rescue route, fresh air supply. The tunnel's safety lifeline always.
Ventilation moves 2,400 cubic meters of air every second, keeping conditions safe for passengers and workers.
Water constantly seeps through the chalk. Pumps run 24/7, removing thousands of liters daily, keeping tunnels dry.
For London-Paris, Eurostar is faster than flying. No airport hassles. City centre to city centre. The smart choice.
Freight is vital. 20% of UK-EU trade travels through the tunnel. Essential supply chain link constantly.
The American Society of Civil Engineers named it one of 7 modern wonders of the world. Engineering excellence recognized.
The tunnel inspires engineering students worldwide. A perfect example of ambitious vision becoming reality through determination.
Tourism exploded. Easy travel between capitals. Cultural exchange flourished, bringing Britain and Europe closer together culturally.
The tunnel boring machines remain buried underground. Removing them was impossible. They're entombed forever in the chalk.
The tunnel supports 6 atmospheres of pressure from the sea above. The concrete lining must hold perfectly forever.
Seismic sensors monitor constantly, detecting even tiny movements, ensuring the tunnel remains structurally sound always. Temperature is carefully controlled, 20 degrees Celsius year-round. Comfortable for passengers regardless of outside weather.
Security is comprehensive. Passenger screening, vehicle checks, continuous monitoring. Safety remains the absolute highest priority always.
The migrant crisis brought new challenges. Enhanced perimeter security, balancing humanitarian concerns with safety requirements carefully.
HS1 high-speed line opened, dedicated track to London. Journey times dropped further. The network continues improving constantly.
Unstable surface agents.
Recovery has been strong. Passenger numbers approaching pre-pandemic levels. The tunnel proved its essential value completely.
Future expansion is planned. More services, additional destinations. Amsterdam, Frankfurt, potentially beyond. Growth continues forward.
The Channel Tunnel inspired others. Japan's Seikon Tunnel proposed projects worldwide. Underwater tunnels becoming standard infrastructure now.
Ultimately, this is a human achievement. Thousands of workers, engineers, visionaries.
The tunnel symbolizes cooperation. 2 nations, 1 goal. Politics aligned with engineering vision.
Environmental monitoring continues. Marine life, water quality, ecosystems. The tunnel coexists.
The engineering lessons are shared worldwide. Other nations learn from British-French experience. Knowledge benefits humanity globally.
2024 marked 30 years of operation, 3 decades of safe, reliable service, a proven engineering marvel. Spoons. The legacy continues, connecting nations daily. Millions rely on it. The tunnel succeeded.
For 2 centuries, it seemed impossible. Today, it carries millions beneath the sea.